Do you have a banana plant and don't know how to propagate it? Did you think banana trees came from seeds? Well, they don't come from seeds, and they're not trees. Okay, so generally you have a mother plant, which is the big banana plant that's growing. And this is actually even closer to a herb than a tree. It is a plant. This is what they call the false or pseudo stem, because it's not actually a stem at all. It's just a bunch of rolled up leaves waiting to unfurl. And if you go down the tree, you can see down at the bottom, on both sides actually, let's start on the left, we have what they call, in some places, a pup, in others, un hijo, a child, and a sucker. One on this side and another one right over here. What do you notice? Very different kinds of suckers, no? Look at how thin those leaves are. Aptly named a sword sucker. In this one, they call a water sucker.
Mira, aquí la bellota.
La bellota.
La bellota.
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 ¿Cómo?
Esta es un topollo de freír, es raro. Dentro de 3 o 4 meses, cuando eso esté maduro, vas a cortar esta planta.
Yeah.
Porque ya no va a dar más. Entonces tienes que
Necesita
tener
algo
un
para
hijo que lo...
take its place.
Claro.
Picture, if you will, just below the surface at the base of the mother plant is a bulbous form. And in this bulb contains the rhizome and the corm of the plant, which are stem modifications modified to store food for the suckers. Now, sword suckers grow closer to the mother part, which in turn give them larger rhizomes, which make them a stronger plant.
Para que lo puedas plantar.
Ah. Y puedes plantar esto.
Sí.
So plant it, I will. So I was looking around online, looking at suckers, and if you remember, that sword sucker was a lot closer to the mother plant than the water sucker. This is a water sucker here. Supposedly, they say that the sword sucker is more desirable because it's a stronger plant and will produce quicker and better bananas. That's what they say. And this here is the new leaf coming out of the plant. It kind of comes out as a tube, and it's nicknamed the cigar leaf because of its shape. Here you can see the inside of it unfurling. Now there are other ways to propagate bananas. One is through tissue culture. That's where you extract some of the growth point and get banana plants to grow out of little chunks of the plant itself. And Omar is going to give us a quick little look at how that is done.
Lo que hacen ellos es buscar el meristemo, el punto de crecimiento.
El punto de crecimiento.
Yo no, yo planto los hijos.
Sí.
Pero los hijos es mejor, o sea, si plantas la madre es mejor porque tiene más fuerza. Y además tienes más variedad de plantas. Que in vitro, si plantas 1000 plantas son las mismas, son iguales.
Oh.
Aquí ves.
No.
Se busca el punto de crecimiento aquí. El punto de crecimiento donde empieza a crecer la platanera. Entonces lo van limpiando.
Limpiando.
Hasta que lo tengan puro, que es esto. Aquí lo corté ya. Pero es esto, ¿ves?
Oh, okay. Omar was kind enough to give us a brief description on how it's done. It's something I might look into a little, and maybe in a future video get a little more in depth. Many thanks again to Omar.
Y de cada trocito sacan una platanera. Así es como la reproducen in vitro.
Well, thank you for coming along on this little journey of knowledge attainment in the world of bananas. Look forward to learning some more and seeing you later.